Groundnut paste and bobolo is one of the street foods we have in Cameroon. I used to enjoy it back home. So today I'll be showing you how I make mine using grandma's recipe. So keep watching. Ingredients we need: I need bobolo. Obviously this one wasn't made by me, I bought it like this in the shop. And you need peanut butter. Normally in Cameroon you fry groundnut and ground it to get your peanut butter. Next, I have in this bowl, I have some salt, some chili flakes or powder, and some bush pepper powder. Yes, and I have my seasoning cubes. I'll be using one Maggie crevette and one normal Maggie. So this is grandma's recipe, like I said. Next, in a pot I will put the bobolo. I already had water boiled, and I will put the water in the bobolo just a little bit above it, and then close and cook this for 10 minutes. Next, in a pot, I will just add the peanut butter, after which I will add some water and give it a proper mix. So while doing groundnut paste, you don't want to add water all at once. So you add water bit by bit and give it a proper mix. If you just pour in water, the result will not be good. Your groundnut paste will be watery. So I try to create a well in the middle of the groundnut to put all the other ingredients to be able to mix very well. So when the groundnut paste is almost getting ready, I'm going to show you so that you will know when you are making yours, when your groundnut paste is almost ready. If today is your first time here, you're welcome to this channel, and onto my returning subscribers, thank you very much for your support. If you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, please kindly do so, and don't forget to click the notification bell. So for this recipe, I actually used about 3 cups of water just by adding it bit by bit. Everything is in the description box below. Now you can see the groundnut paste has started bringing out oil. Once you see this, you know that your groundnut paste is almost ready and you're on the right track. So you just want to keep adding water bit by bit, stir it and taste to be sure that your seasoning is enough for you. I mean, you can add your salt and Maggie to make sure that you have a good taste for you. So next, I will check the bobolo. I will just open and I'm going to touch it. If it is soft, then I know it is cooked. But actually, this was boiled or simmer or steamed for 10 minutes, and I will just take it off the heat. At this point, guys, you can see that the peanut butter, the color has changed and you have more, and it has produced more oil. This is a sign that your groundnut paste is almost good to go. You can also see that I added 1 habanero pepper, which I'm going to press after because I like it hot, or chili as they may say, but you can also skip that. You don't necessarily have to add it if you don't like or if you don't eat hot food. So at this point, you can see the groundnut paste, the color is totally different and it has produced more oil. This is the final bus stop to say your groundnut paste is ready to go. You can eat and enjoy it with your bobolo. Some people also eat this with garden egg. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share, and leave a comment below if you try the recipe. And until I see you in the next one, stay safe. God bless you. Bye bye.